guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a simple spring look. If you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching and don't forget to hit the like don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. Peppermint tea on deck. So I've already done my brows and I'm just going to start off by priming my lid with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to blend that out with the foundation brush. Now I'll just be taking this light brown shade from the Morphe 350 palette and placing that all on my lid as my overall transition shade, but also to set my concealer so that my shadow does not crease. Now I am just taking this more warm brown shade and I'm adding that into my transition area as well. I'm also trying to put this on my outer corner, but this was before I knew that I was going to cut my crease. So next I take this camel colored shade from a MAC palette that someone gifted to me, so I'm sorry, I'm not sure what the shade is. But these shadows are very smooth, so I just wanted to put this in my transition area and blend that out before I cut my crease. Originally, it didn't look like I was applying much color, but once I cut my crease, you can see that there is definitely a subtle hint of a dark brown crease that's forming. So now I'm just taking this cool tone tan shade and I'm applying that to my lids. Now I'm just taking a blending brush with some leftover product on it and blending out that line so it's not too harsh of a cut crease, and I'm also working it a little bit into my outer corner. I realized that I wanted my lid to be a little bit warmer, so I went back into that palette. I took a more warm tan shade and I plopped that right on top of the cool one. And then I blend again. I did my foundation off camera so I could work on my tear duct. I'm taking the white Morphe concealer and applying that right to my tear duct, a little bit above it as well, so that I can add my pop of color. And I will tell you guys now that when I was doing this, I was trying to be as clean as possible. However, if I were to go back and do this, I would have honestly just patted the concealer on with my finger so it could be more organic looking. I had to do a lot of blending to get it to look how I want it to look, so take what I'm doing here as a possible guide or outline per se, but I think that it would look a little better if you just took your ring finger and patted the concealer on that area. So for my James Charles palette, I'm just taking this green shade, Social Blade, and I'm also going to take the white shade actually first. I'm going to put that over my white concealer after I let it dry down a little bit, just because I've told you guys before it's a matte formula, so sometimes if you don't let it dry, I notice that the color shadows will look patchy. And then after I do that, I'm taking Social Blade and I'm carefully putting that over the white concealer. Next, I'm taking this teal green shade from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette and I'm applying that directly over that green. I am applying the NYX glitter primer first before I apply the shadow, just because it's very powdery and I definitely want the glitter to stick. Now I'm just taking a dark brown shade and putting that on my lower lash line, focusing specifically on the outer half. And then I'm taking a NYX glitter liner and just popping that in my inner tear duct as well. And I'm going to blend that out. I just wanted something that was a little bit more silvery. Now I'm just taking my L'Oreal Linear Intense eyeliner and I'm going to do a wing. I love this eyeliner. I love brush tip liners. I've been using the same one for maybe like 7-8 years. I hate felt tip. I feel like I can't say it enough. Now I'm applying a brown lip liner. And now I'm applying this Ulta lip oil in the shade Power Pink. So thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.